Why'd you leave your ID?
Because I didn't need it, I think so.
Oh, okay.
I mean, either way, I am underage.
Okay.
February 2022. A spring break MIP arrest. 3 legal issues. The statutory basis for the charge, the admissibility of an unprompted admission, and the enforcement discretion that produced a custodial arrest instead of a civil citation.
All right. Here's the deal. I'll carry that for you. Pull your hands away from your body. There you go. I have to search your bag. Is there anything I'm going to be concerned with in your bag? Okay. Come on over here by my thingy. In the heat. What is it? Okay. Unfortunately, the jail won't take your bottles of water or your food.
Stand by, let me check.
Why'd you leave your ID?
Because I didn't need it, I think so.
Oh, okay.
I mean, either way, I am underage.
Okay.
Okay, I mean, honestly,
I understand. Thank you, ma'am.
Factory 32404. Which tower are you on?
6.
No. 417. Original caller, line 30. Have the phone number in there.
Son of a gun, I can't even read this. All right, if you want to kick your feet all the way in, they have air conditioning there.
Alright, so they're pretty, I can loosen this one just like a tad, but they're pretty, yeah. Is that better? Yeah, this one will adjust for sure. Yeah, they weren't. Alright, squeeze your hand like this. Okay. Is that better? Okay. Alright, turn around for me. Go and sit back. You're all good. Got it? Okay.
Alright, here, step out. Just walk her over there. Okay, do you have anything in your bag? Like a shirt or anything? Sarge, do you mind just grabbing her bag out of the back of my car?
Is it locked?
Yeah, here it's the all silver key.
Working today here.
Yep, out on the beach for spring break.
That's already started.
Oh yeah.
It was supposed to start this week.
This is day 2. Well, yesterday they had like almost full-on riots out here.
Well, I thought it was this week.
Well, that's when some of the high school starts.
Okay.
It's next week, but I think this is the precursor to the whole thing.
They can write together, right?
Yeah.
Are you pregnant, man? Pregnant? Are you pregnant? No?
It's just something he just has to ask to see if you're pregnant under the influence of any drugs, anything like that. Okay. Thank you, sir. said you had a shirt or something in
Yeah.
here?
There's a dress in there.
There's a dress?
For my dress.
This one? Okay. Cool. You want to help her with that?
Watch her.
And then whenever we take your hands out and put them to the front, then we're going to put your arms through the holes, okay? So just step forward. We're going to separate everything. Are you putting her in front? Okay. Go ahead and put it there, Mom. Is that it?
Florida Statute Section 562.111 prohibits persons under 21 from possessing alcohol in a public place, a second-degree misdemeanor. The subject's underage admission was spontaneous and unprompted. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, voluntary statements made without custodial interrogation are not subject to Miranda exclusion. The admission is fully admissible. Florida permits civil citation for first-time MIP, but the choice is policy, not constitution. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirms the Fourth Amendment permits full custodial arrest for any misdemeanor regardless of citation availability. Spring break enforcement sweeps elect arrest over citation as a deterrence measure constitutionally insulated from challenge. The bag search is constitutionally grounded under Kymel versus California. A search incident to a lawful arrest permits warrantless examination of the arrestee and immediately accessible containers. No Fourth Amendment issue attaches. Florida First-Offender Diversion Programs allow qualifying defendants to complete prescribed conditions, community service, an educational course, a compliance period in exchange for charge dismissal without a permanent conviction on their record.
Alright, so it's just going to go around your waist, and then the handcuffs are going to go in front, okay?
That worked out.
See, perfect. Thank you. Good. Not too tight.
A little tight.
This one. Or the other one? Let me know. I don't want you to feel more uncomfortable than you already are.
Listen, you're only 18. You got the rest of your life, okay? State Attorney's Office is going to work with you. Do whatever they tell you to do to get it taken off your record, okay? Or reduced. You understand?
Look, you see, I have to feel the head.
Make a deal. I asked you to tell you.
I hope you feel really.
The subject was arrested for minor in possession under Section 562.111 and transported to jail. Case disposition is unknown at time of analysis. First-offender diversion eligibility appears likely based on the factual profile. The officer receives an A. He adjusted handcuffs 3 times for comfort, retrieved a dress from the subject's bag to preserve her dignity, and volunteered accurate diversion guidance, none of it required. This is professional compassion documented on camera. The subject receives a C. Section 562.111 applies without ambiguity. And leaving her ID at home reflects deliberate awareness of the situation. Her compliance and voluntary disclosure are credited. The C reflects the underlying conduct, not the character demonstrated once in custody. 3 takeaways. First, under Berkemer, spontaneous admissions are fully admissible without Miranda volunteering. Incriminating information confers no legal benefit. Second, under Atwater, custodial arrest is always available for any misdemeanor. Civil citation is policy, not a right. Third, first-offender diversion can resolve a first MIP without a conviction. Following through with the state attorney's office is the most consequential post-arrest decision. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.